गंगे च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिंधु कावेरी जलेऽस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु।
Namaste. Welcome to another episode of My India, My Pride series. You have heard the shloka in the previous videos, isn't it, children? In this video, let us learn about the holy river Saraswati. All of us have heard about river Saraswati many a times when our grandparents tell us stories. Several thousands of years back, Saraswati was the grandest river in India, and the Satluj and Yamuna were the tributaries of this great river. The river has vanished at a point in the desert of Thar. Both the tributaries had changed course a long while ago. Satluj to the west to join Indus and Yamuna to the east to join Ganga in Prayagraj. Recent discoveries have found evidence of the presence of river Saraswati flowing underground in Thar desert of Rajasthan. The river, which originates in the Himalayas, flows southwards and then takes turn towards west. River Saraswati is believed to have had three tributaries, Shatadru or Satluj, originating from Mount Kailash, Drishtadwati from Shivalik hills, and the old Yamuna. They flowed together along a channel descending through the foothills to the northern plains. The river turns southwest, passing through the plains of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and finally joins Arabian Sea at the Great Rann of Kutch. This is a long journey. Some experts consider the two rivers, Gagra and Hakra, as a single river, whereas others consider the upper course of Saraswati as Ghaggar and the lower course as Hakra river, while some others call the weak and declining state of the Saraswati river as the Ghaggar river, which is known as Hakra river in Rajasthan and Nara in Sindh. It is believed that the war of Mahabharata took place in a place called Kurukshetra between river Saraswati and river Drishtadwati. Due to some reason, this river dried up. You can see the river in the picture from Shivalik area of Himalayas to Dholavira in Kutch district of Gujarat. Government of India is working on several projects to rediscover the lost river. In India, early civilization flourished on the banks of the river Saraswati and has significant part in their development. When the river Saraswati dried, the civilizations vanished. The Vedic civilization was formed on the banks of the river Saraswati. Rivers were attractive locations for the civilizations because they provided a steady supply of drinking water and made the land fertile for growing crops. Rivers are the backbone of human civilization. Without rivers, life will come to a halt. River Saraswati originates near Mana at Adibadri. There is a story in Mahabharata about this. When Pandavas and Draupadi were travelling, Draupadi could not cross the river since it was fast flowing. So, Pandavas requested river Saraswati to give way so that Draupadi could cross it without any problems. River Saraswati did not listen to their request. Then Bhim built a bridge over it with huge rocks. It is called Bhim Pul. River Saraswati, which flows with force, disappears suddenly and flows underground at a place. It is believed that from here she flows underground and joins Ganga in Yamuna at Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh at Triveni Sangam. There is an interesting story behind this. The story goes as follows. When Vyasa Maharshi was creating Mahabharata and Lord Ganesha was writing it, they were sitting on the banks of the river Saraswati. She was flowing with lots of noise which was disturbing. Vyasa Maharshi requested the river to reduce the noise, but she did not listen. So Vyasa cursed her to flow underground. From this place she flows underground. But the modern day geologists believe due to rise in the Aravali ranges, the river and few of its tributaries started flowing eastwards and joined the river Ganga and Yamuna, whereas few tributaries joined Satluj and Beas. Due to tectonic plate movement and moving of sand and fault lines in the ground, the river started flowing underground. This is the aerial view of Triveni Sangam at Prayagraj. It is believed that river Saraswati meets Ganga and Yamuna here at Triveni Sangam and flows eastwards as Ganga and joins Bay of Bengal. To celebrate the revolution of Brahaspati or Jupiter, Kumbh Mela is celebrated once in 12 years in India. People from all over the world come here to get a holy dip in the river confluence Triveni Sangam. Children, you studied about Kshira Sagara Manthana in Kurmavatara, the second avatar of Vishnu, that when Garuda flew off with the Amrita Kumbha to prevent Asuras from drinking it, 4 drops of Amrita fell on earth at 4 places. One of them is Prayagraj. Other 3 are Haridwar, Nasik and Ujjain, where other Kumbh Melas take place. We have used materials and pictures from the various sites to create this video. We give credit to the creators and sincerely thank the sources of all the pictures and materials used here.